Rule 290 of Rules of Procedure and Conduct of Business. Speaker, sir, I know these are very difficult times. This is a pandemic time. And I know it is difficult to run the assembly. So we have to think out of the box. I had written you, Speaker, sir, a letter on 9th July, which was accepted by your office on 10th July. I'm only feeling bad. I don't write letters. I don't write letters to Speaker, but as a senior member, this is my 7th term, with all humility, when I wrote a letter, I was expecting a reply. This is my 7th term. Now, Speaker, sir, when there is a pandemic like this, we have to think out of the box. And I know even the primary students are studying online. The college students are studying online. Why can't we have a virtual assembly? Speaker, sir, we are going to approve 22,000 crores of rupees in this budget. Yesterday, Honorable Chief Minister has taken 100 crores loan just to pay the salaries. Our priorities which were there at that time of the budget have changed. Today, the revenue has changed, the expenditure has changed, and we are there with the government. Please don't misunderstand me. I feel this budget of 22,000 crores has to be reconstructed in view of the new priorities. If the government wants this money, they can take it. I have no problem. We have to use all our energies to fight the COVID. I agree with you. We will cooperate with you. We assure you that we will cooperate. But I think legislature, executive, and judiciary, these are the 3 pillars of democracy. As much as executive is independent and autonomous, legislature is also independent and autonomous. I feel that people are the masters. We must serve them. And especially now, when the priorities have altogether changed. I can't blame the Honorable Chief Minister. When we were expecting certain revenue, that is altogether changed. When we were expecting expenditure to be made, that is altogether changed. And during these difficult times, I would request to have revised budget within 1 month. Today you can take the money. I have no problem. You can take on vote on account. But let us have a revised budget. Let us discuss it. Let us debate it. We are ready to pass this budget, I am assuring you. But let us not pass 22,000 crores of rupees at one go without any debate, without any discussion, and it's humanly impossible to discuss it today. I feel therefore, Speaker, sir, during these difficult times, COVID times, we have to think out of the box. I'm repeating it. If the primary child can study online, honorable members of this august house can have a virtual assembly. We can debate the problems. We will appreciate your problems, difficulties. Let us have a virtual assembly. And I feel when I wrote this letter on 9th of July, I at least deserve a reply, Honorable Speaker, sir.
Okay, I understand your sentiments. Let's go for the question hour.